What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. The Bitcoin trade hit take profit, the one we gave last week. On top of that, the second trade did run and we gave this trade yesterday, so it's looking pretty good. So these trade ideas yet again have shown you some win, some don't, doesn't matter. The whole idea is you are learning and earning on these YouTube videos, which we're bringing you for free on Coin Bureau Trading. In today's video, we're going to go through weekly trades, the trades we could have taken, and then hopefully we can learn from this and take these trades next week or in the future to react to the markets and secure our PNL. So let's get started with the video. So first, let's start this video off by just reminding you guys that at the end of the day, it's all about your edge. I have to repeat this time and time again, but it is the most important thing. When I say that, what I mean is that at the end of the day, it's about your P&L at the end of your career of trading. It doesn't matter if you win today, win tomorrow, lose today. It's all fallacy. What's very important is that you stick to your plan, you plan your trade, and you trade your plan. That's how trading works. It's actually incredibly mundane because what it is, you have one setup, one pattern, and one recognition. You rinse, repeat. So if we look at these trades here on the right hand side, which I've shown, is exactly these three trades are exactly the same. And even though these three trades are exactly the same, you can see that even though I've lost twice, I would have potentially been break even or on profit. And that's why having an edge and a risk to reward in your favor works out. And what I mean by that is that, say I lose 1% on this trade because it hit stop loss, I've lost 1% on this one, but this one has won 2.3%. I'm actually up 0.3%, even though I've only won 1 and lost 2. So that's why risk to reward is very important. Understanding your edge, understanding the longevity in trading and what it can be. So let's go into the markets and have a look. So this whole week has just been bouncing throughout this whole section. Like I can literally just yo-yo up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and up and down. And if we had to look at these trades, what we could really see and do is identifying this major support on the lower end is something where we could have potentially had some buys on this. And the question is, would we have been wicked out or would we been able to actually secure profits? Because even though this is a very strong yo-yo, every single time price actually we would have won once here, which is the left hand side. So what we've done is we've retested this 25k and then we've come back in to retest this support which I've drawn, hit back up, it hit Tokyo high. If we copy and paste the trade, we've done exactly the same thing where we've bounced on this support, bounced on this key level, pushed up to the upper zone and then won again. This trade would have lost. If we did exactly the same trade again, we would have won. We done exactly the same trade again, we would have won. Done exactly the same trade, we would have won. And done exactly the same trade. Oh my gosh. If we done exactly the same time, we would have won. And then this would have won again. Well, actually, you wouldn't have been triggered here. And then we've even got another example here where that could have wicked down and wicked us into take profit, or the next opportunity is wick down and take us out. So guys, don't forget to check out link in the description below if you do want to start your trading journey now with a Bybit. Bybit's got up to $40,000 worth of bonuses and a $30 airdrop as well if you've never signed up or traded with them. So link in the description below, and let's get back to the video. So straight away on this zone, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times as one. That would have been 14R, so 14%. So if we risked $1,000, that would have been $14,000 profit, and we would have lost 1, maybe 2 there, and this one we would just rule out because we don't know if that would have won or hit, because that wicked and hit take profit in the first bar candle, but then again you could have been slipped as well, so we won't include that. So we've lost 2 trades. So 14 minus 2 is 12%, so we would have made 12% gain and 12% return if we just bought on those zones. So that's the first lesson we can see. So the fact is, this strategy works. We can buy and sell on these key levels as soon as there's a reaction or a pending, whatever the rules are right for you. On our rules, we've got a whole video and strategy breakdown, so if you want to go check that out, check that out. But overall, what we can see is the strategy works, and that's the whole point of these weekly reviews. These are what we call reps. These reps are basically reiterating that, number 1, the strategy works, number 2, re-identifying these patterns so that we can see them on a consistent basis. So okay, this works, I need to look for this, why did this work, why didn't this work, and keep going from there, and then rinse and repeat and be able to be consistent and persistent on this to make sure that we are making money in the long run. So that was the weekly review, and that's actually a trade idea and the trade zone that I really wanted wanted to highlight to you guys to show you that even in a sideways market, you can make money. It's just very, very difficult to be able to accept those gains because people, and especially with Bitcoin, want to accept large gains because Bitcoin is volatile. It moves 10k, it can move 15k, it can do a very large movements. But if you secure a 2R and able to copy and paste, you would have made 12% in less than 2 weeks, which is crazy, right? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's a quick learn and earn video and a weekly breakdown on these trades. We'll be doing an altcoin video, and then I've got a Q&A video, and we've also got more trade breakdown videos as well, where I'm going to be sharing you more of my strategy and actually how I apply this into the other markets. So actually how I trade my 1.3 million funded. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys learned today. Champ out. Peace.